Subject Social Science. Myself Hafiz Gulshad. What is social science? The scientific study of human society and social relationship. As human being is a social animal, we live in society, hence we have to study social science. There are three main branches of social science which are history, geography and civics. Now let's go through the chapter 1. Sources of history. What is history? Anything that has occurred in past is history. जो हमारे पहले हो चुका है उसे हम हिस्ट्री कहेंगे. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, टुडे COVID-19 is present situation, but after some year it will become our past and will be known as history. Why to learn history? It is necessary to have knowledge of past and to know and understand the present situation. हिस्ट्री हमें जानना ज़रूरी है हमारे पास्ट की नॉलेज और उसके सिचुएशन के लिए. हिस्ट्री इज़ एन इम्पॉर्टेंट टू नो अवर एंशिएंट पीपल, हाउ दे लिव, व्हाट काइंड ऑफ सोर्सेज दे हैव मेड एंड हाउ दे यूज इट. These are the pictures of some sources. This is coin, stamp, vessels, tools, ornament, toys, etc. Millennium Gallery. In December 2000, most of the newspapers had published various articles with photographs on the incidents and events of 20th century, which became famous as the Millennium Gallery. Sources of history. There are so many sources of history, but some are mentioned here. The Tatpatras and Bhojpatras. The Tatpatras and Bhojpatras manuscript written mostly in the Pandu script are some of them. Manuscript means handwritten, हाथ का लिखा हुआ. Bhojpatra are made from the skin of a tree named Bhoj. भोजपत्र जिस पर लिखा जाता है वो भोज नाम के ट्री की स्किन पर लिखा जाता है. Although most of Pandu script have been destroyed by insect, some of them are still preserved in temples, vihars, libraries and government museums. As long time has passed away, some of the scripts have destroyed by insect, but some are still preserved in temples, vihars and in government's museum. Using these sources, we get a lot of information about kings, administrations and public life in ancient times. ये सब सोर्स के यूज़ से हमें पहले एशियन टाइम्स की किंग्स के एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन के बारे में पता चलता है. These are the pictures of Tatpatras and Bhojpatras, and this is the scripts written on it. This is the tree, Bhoj tree, and this is the skin of it on which the Bhojpatras were written. Inscriptions means carving. Inscription means carving. In ancient times, main incident like achievement of kings, writing of orders, and treatise with other states were carved on stones or metal plates. Means on that times when king have to pass some message, they write the inscription on stones or metal plates. These metal plates and stones writing known as an inscription exists even today and are preserved it. ये स्टोन्स और मेटल प्लेट पर लिखा गया इंस्क्रिप्शन आज भी प्रिजर्व है. आर्चीज सच एज नेशनल आर्काइव्स ऑफ दिल्ली. दिस इज द स्क्रिप्ट्स रिटन ऑन स्टोन. स्टोन पर लिखा गया स्क्रिप्ट. Vessels, ornaments and tools. During excavation, utensils, stones, tools and Asian ornaments are found which help us to know the history of ancient times. Just as Archaeologists do. We too can know the history of ancient times from old coins, stone, inscription, paintings, and metal plates. This type of vessels are there in ancient times, and these are the tools were there. This is the gold coin during the time of King Kanishka, and these are the monuments, buildings were there in ancient times, which are also their source of history, which are also their sources of history. There are so many sources of history, but some of major are mentioned here: documents, paintings, ornament, toys, coins, inscription, bhojpatra, metal plates, old buildings, temples, travelogos, etc. Stone inscription, the writing which are carved on stones. Bhojpatras, the bark of a tree on which books were written in ancient times. कॉपर प्लेट, इंस्क्रिप्शन ऑन कॉपर एंड टीन, कॉपर और टीन के ऊपर भी लिखा गया है, उसे कॉपर प्लेट इंस्क्रिप्शन कहते हैं. कार्बन टेलिंग सिस्टम इज यूज बाय archaeologists to know the exact data and time of finding. Archives, places which store historical records. Thank you.